Log into your DuoPlus account. Deposit funds and place an order for a cloud phone. Customize the order based on your needs and proceed to confirm it. Once the order is placed, adjust your cloud phone plan settings as needed. Next, go to your Lightning Proxies dashboard. Select your desired plan, configure the country and sticky session settings, then copy the proxy. Go back to the DuoPlus page, paste the proxy into the designated field, and optionally set a name for your profile. Click Finish to complete the setup. From the dashboard, click Power On and wait for the cloud phone to launch and fully set up. Once everything is ready, you can start browsing to test the proxy.